Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be discussing three things. First is the crypto market outlook. The second is the 10 or sorry, today 30 coins that we have discovered which are alive and well, rallying. And the third thing is we're discussing one of the 30 coins that is Elrond, which was EGLD and which was previously known as Elrond, and right now it's known as I think MultiversX. So we'll be discussing AI-based price forecast for e-gold. And let's get started. The chart or the heat map that you're seeing on the screen is the total crypto market snapshot, and the size of the heat map allocated to a crypto is reflects the market cap. So Bitcoin is almost half of the market. That's why it's taking up half of the space on the heat map. Bitcoin is currently at 37,000 USD, and over the past month, Bitcoin has rallied rallied to about 35%, rallied 35%. Ethereum is the second largest one by the space on the heat map. You can see that the area covered is substantially more than the other cryptos over here. So you can divide this heat map into four parts. Half of it is Bitcoin, almost half of it is Ethereum plus Tether, and that the so sorry 25% is Ethereum plus Tether, and then the rest 25% uh, is allocated to all the altcoins. So that's how the market is structured right now. Ethereum is coming in at almost 2100, the Ether token, and Ether has also rallied by about 33% over the last 30 days. Some of the major altcoins, you can see that BNB hasn't rallied as much as Ethereum or Bitcoin, but XRP is almost at the same stage as in terms of its rally over the last 30 days as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some of the notable ones which have rallied more than Bitcoin and ETH are Solana, which is currently at $51 and rallied about 132%. Similarly, I think Chainlink was one of the one which has had 100% rally at about $15. Then I think Cardano at about 50%, which rallied more than BTC and ETH at 38 cents. And I think yeah, that's the overall market sentiment. Let's move to the coin screener that we have built. This is again using TradingView. We have considered the top 100 cryptos, out of which we have from the top 100 we have considered the ones which have rallied more than 20% over the last month, and who have a healthy trading volume of more than 5% every single day. And we have we have sorted them by market cap. The first name is no surprise over here, is that Solana, which has rallied about 33% in the last 1 month. This is different from the market, the change in the last 1 month as opposed to 30 days that uh, we saw just now. I think in the last 30 days, uh, it's rallied more than 131%. This is the change month over month is I think 33%. The market cap is at $21 billion. Price is at over 51 USD. The volume is 3 billion. So this is the recent snapshot of Solana. Then Cardano coming in at 37 cents, at rallying 28%. Chainlink that we covered 3 or 4 days ago on the channel. You can check that video of the Chainlink's weekly forecast using AI. Currently rallied 28% in the last month, and then market cap over $8 billion. And the similar story for Polygon, Matic, then Uniswap as well, Lido, staked ETH, that is, Optimism layer 2 for Ethereum, then Caspa, Arbitrum, Mantle, Immutable X, Thor chain that we covered yesterday on the channel, the graph that we might cover shortly, and today's token that we will be discussing is Elrond MultiversX, that they call themselves, and EGLD, which is their ticker, uh, coming in at $45, change month over month more than 50%, and market cap currently at $1, sorry, $1.2 billion, and circulating supply at around 26 million. So this is the token of interest for today, and the list is, again, you can pause the video and check out who are the uh, who feature in this list. So let's go back to our third part of the video, which is the AI based forecast. So this is the base case scenario for MultiversX LE Gold, uh, color coded from dark blue to dark orange, based on how overvalued or undervalued the token is with respect to its historical price. So one of the good thing about this particular asset is up until I think last week of February of October, this particular token, since August to October, it had visited its deep undervaluation territory. So if anybody has been accumulating e-gold per hour model, this was a good accumulation zone, and if you can weather it out, the current rally, and if the price settles back to this below $30 range, this would be again a good accumulation zone for e-gold per hour model. And this is not financial advice, this is use of historical data and z-scores to inform the overvaluation and undervaluation territory. In its last bull run, this in November of 2021, MultiversX, when at that time I think it was called Elrond, the price action at a weekly average level was $440. Right now, it's almost 1/10 of that. Right now, as you checked out, that the price is around $45. At its peak, the z-score was 4.2. That is, the price was 4.2 standard deviation away from its mean. The mean is at around between 90 and 100 USD, and the standard deviation is, I think, 83 over here. That's how we got these color code assignments. And just to have a have a current snapshot, and then forecast those price action with respect to AI techniques. One of the key levels, you can see that above $50, that's when the z-score turns uh, less than 0.5, and the color code reciprocates its change from light blue to almost neutral territory, that is white territory. So again, if there are any rallies in store for the remainder of this year or early part of January, this $50 would be a key area to watch, and how it rallies above this particular high that it made in August of 2022, which is at around $65. That's when we move out of this undervaluation zone and go to almost historically speaking fair value for e-gold. And then this is the AI based forecast which we make using ARIMA and LSTM models, and I'll just simply cover the output of this model that we ran. And again, not financial advice, this content is strictly data science and machine learning exercise. So for this current week per hour model, the data that we have since 2020, the following are the AI based forecast. For this week, it's at coming in at 43 USD, which is this is the weekly average. So right now it's at 45 US dollars. So for the week, it might the average might be around 43 per hour AI based model. For the next week, it's at $45 forecasted for November 18 19, the week closing. The last week of November, the forecast is at $45. The first week of December at $46. The second week at around 47, almost $48. The third week at around 47.4, the last week of December at $46, the first week of January at $46.17, and the 10th week from now, that is January 14th, is coming in at $46.8. So the range for this base case is between 43 USD and 49 USD. So 43 and 49 are the key levels, the range for the base case forecast for EGLD per hour AI based model. And we like to cover not only the base case but the bull case, because we just are rallying since October. So the base case model might not reflect the current bullish momentum. That's why we always come with a theoretical ceiling, where we see that if there are any bullish rallies, what are the one standard deviation away moves from our base case. And we like to call it as a theoretical ceiling, where a significant resistance is forecasted by the AI based model. So for the month of November, remainder of November, the AI based for bull case scenario is between 57 and 59 US dollars. For December, it's between 59 US dollars and 61 US dollars. And January resets back to 59. I'll show the tabular format, the findings in tabular format as well, with the exact values at the end of the video. So January yet again 58 and 59 US dollars. So the range over here is between 57 and 62 US dollars at the bull case scenario for eGold. And this also coincides with the November 2022 high that this particular crypto had. So this is the bull case scenario. The bear case, we like to also cover that what if this rally is stopped in its way by some macro news or any particular eGold related news. So in that case, we like to cover what are one standard deviation downsides. And for our AI model, this is coming in at, for this month of November, is between the theoretical floor, like that we call, is what are the support levels for this particular week, is between starting with $30 and then $32, and almost towards the end of the November at 28 USD. But if there is a significant drop in December, the following are the AI based forecast for December: 29 in the first week, 27 in the second week, the 28 in the third week, 23 in the fourth week, and the last week of December at 21.92, almost $22. And first week of January at $18, and second week at $19. So I'll summarize the three scenarios in the pictorial view, and then we'll go over the table. The base case, as we talked about initially, is between 43 and $49 for till January 14th. The bull case is between 57 and $62, and the bear case is between $18 and $32. So these are the um, tabular view of these AI based forecast. The base case scenario, as you can see, is between $43 and $49 over here. The bear case is between $22 for the December. It's $22 and $30, and for bull case is between $57 and $62. Hope you like this content. If you do, please give us a subscribe and check out the other video um, on the channel, and also give this video a like, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.